Hey yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How is it going, everyone? Welcome to this live stream. Just in case you're watching the playback, welcome, 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 welcome. Just in case you're watching the playback or you're live with me, welcome. Let me know in the comment section where you're streaming this live stream from. Let me know in the comment section. I'm about to share my screen because we're about to get started actually. Yep. Let me know where you guys are watching from. This night is going to be super amazing actually and super insightful. I don't want you to miss it. I'm about to show you guys amazingly how to build your lead funnel. This is a series we've been doing. We started it some days back and we took a bit of a break and then we are back to finish up the last part of this live training. But today's live stream, I'm actually streaming today's live stream across all platforms. I just really want to be sure. I'm sure, of course, that I'm streaming on high definition resolution, just to be sure. I'm gonna check that. This night I'm gonna basically just focus on showing you all how to set up your lead page completely without any external tool. You don't need a website, you don't need a domain name, you don't need a hosting platform, you don't need anything. And of course, you can connect it with your Facebook ads, run ads to it, track everything to the pin or the page actually. So that's what I'm gonna do on this live stream. This is part of our series, but I intentionally want to stream it. I'm intentionally streaming this across multiple platforms. Usually, this was an exclusive training for people in the Serlzo community, for businesses who are in the Serlzo community. But just in case you are joining us for the very first time, link to join the community will be some way around this video, and then you get to join us. But this particular live stream, I want you to give me your full attention because I'm about to show you how to build out your lead pages without using any third party tool, all on Serlzo. So amazingly, what we did on Serlzo was, first of all, we've been able to start over time to build out a single software that can help businesses like you um, generate multiple sales without the use of multiple tools. The goal is to have everything that has to do with your sales and marketing all in one place. That's the ultimate goal. And amazingly, what we are trying to offer now is we are trying to make it very affordable, accessible, and remove every form of technicality on the side of trying to achieve your marketing goal. Okay. So I mean this night session is 100% open to everybody. So if you want to, you can actually share the link to this live stream across board. Those who will be joining us shortly would also be benefiting. But for those who are joining us for the first time, just before I get started, the tool I'll be using for this night live stream is Serlzo. And of course, like I mentioned earlier on, that Serlzo is that single software that you can actually use to generate, nurture, and close your leads all in one place. The ultimate goal actually is to cut out the use of multiple tools and then link you up with a single software that can help you achieve your marketing, sales, and marketing objective. All right. Right now, we've been able to set up all of this, but tonight you're going to focus basically on how to build out your lead page. In the first day of this training, probably will link the full videos of the previous training. Of course, it's on Serlzo YouTube channel. You can actually go to Serlzo YouTube channel to watch the previous live sessions where we've talked about how to s- set up your lead process, design your lead funnel step by step. And then we also covered how how to run your Facebook and Instagram ads step by step. And then ultimately tonight we are now focused more on how to build out this page. So I'm going to go straight to this page. Now, this is how it works. Basically, you log into your Salesforce account, you go straight to the lead generation tab. Now, this feature I'm showing you right now, you're not going to see it on your Salesforce account until this live stream is over. Depending on when you're watching this video, if you're watching the playback, it's already live. But I wanted to demonstrate it for you guys first before I allow active users to get access to this. That means that if you're an active user and you use Salesforce, already you have an account, a paid account, you can access this immediately after I end this live stream. But give me your full attention. So this feature right here called the DFI lead page, I'm going to click on it. You're currently seeing the beta icon there because this is the first time people are going to use it publicly. So we're going to monitor people use it publicly. Okay. Now, when you click on the DFI page, this is ideally what we did here was we picked out high performing landing pages and we removed every form of technicality 100%. We removed all forms of technicality 100%, and we focus ideally on the features that will give you the best of the result. Because the problem that a business might have actually is how they can how they can um create these pages without a lot of technical hassle, right? For some businesses, for some individuals who own businesses, it's going to be a lot of work for them to achieve. So we removed the entire hassle process, all of the technical process, and we made it 100% simplified. Okay. So what does this mean? This simply means that you can actually just create your landing page without any difficulty. So this is it. So when you get to this page, you click on create a DFI page. Okay. Now I'm going to call this, let me call it Serlzo community. Okay, Serlzo community. Let's call it Serlzo community. Right. So on the DFI type page, right, I'm going to select lead pages. You're going to add different types of DFI. We're going to add a webinar template. We're going to add an e-commerce store direct response template. We're going to add different types of templates for you to choose from. But most importantly, I'm interested in businesses right now trying to generate leads for their business. So that's why we are mostly focused first on solving the leads issue. Okay. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me know in the comment section. Drop a fire emoji. Drop a fire emoji if you can hear me loud and clear. Mhm. Drop a fire emoji. All right. Now, on the strength of this, you select lead pages and then you select a form. Now, of course, ideally on your sales form section, you can create the form, make it 100% customizable. So I'm going to select this sales community form, which I've already created. Actually, there's a special video that will show you how to create a form. It's a very simple process, but I'll do a little bit of a touch up on that area before this live stream ends, right? Now, when you click on the form section, you select the form. But for the basis of those who are 100% new, let me quickly just go back, right? We'll come back to that page and go to forms and create a form. So let's create a new form. Let's call this form um Serlzo community 2. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see my screen better. Serlzo community form 2. Okay, and then it's a lead generation form, and of course, you guys know that we have these two types of form: the sales form and the lead generation form. The sales form is aka called the customizable form. Now, in the customizable form, this is a form that you can actually decide to design the way you want. You can add more fields, you can delete fields, you can hide and all of those stuff for yourself. So, but like this, like I said, this is fully customizable. You can add it for yourself. But for this basis of this, we are using the lead generation form. So I'm going to select a list. Of course, you must have also created your list. And because I don't have a new list, I'm going to go back first of all to show you how to create a list. So first thing first, that's why you can notice we arrange this thing sequentially. First thing you have to do for you to create your lead page is very simple. Create a list. Let's call this list again the Serlzo community form 2. Serlzo, let's just say Serlzo com 2, right? And then we say list for people, for businesses in Serlzo. Let's just call it this and create a list. Now, a list is where it, all of the leads that will feel get to your landing page will join. Okay, we have this list created here with 0 contacts, right? And of course, you already know that you can actually add, if I click on view list, I can actually add a contact directly here, or I can upload it with the CSV. And very soon we'll allow you to also import contacts from your Google contacts, right? Now, you can upload as a CSV and there is an instruction. Click here to view an example. If you click here, you see an example of a CSV file and then mimic it for yourself. Okay. Now, that's about that. Then let's go back now. We'll go back. And of course, I won't fail to mention that you can actually share a list with another Serlzo user by clicking on the share button right here. Now that I've created my list, which is the first thing I have to do, I'll then go to forms. Okay. Now that I've gone to forms, or some of you guys are with me, now I've gone to forms. The next thing I want to do is to create my special form for this particular landing page I'm working on. So I'm also actually going to call it, of course, Serlzo.com2, just to have the same naming convention across board so that I can easily identify what is what. Now select the list called Serlzo.com2, and then I'm going to add the redirect URL, right? So let's use this redirect URL. Is the page I want to redirect people after they have filled my form. It could be on your WhatsApp page, it could be to a Telegram channel, it could be anywhere you want to take them after they have filled the form. And overall, if you don't have anywhere to take them, you can actually just don't activate this feature, allow it. So once they fill the form, it shows them successfully fill the form and then disables the form for you, and then they can still stay on the same page. Okay. So, but let's allow this for the sake of this. Then let me call my button. What should I call my button? Join the community. And then I create it. Now I've created my form, right? Now I go to the DFI page, which is the next step for me here. I go to the DFI page and then I click on create a DFI page. Now watch this. I call this guy again just for unity of name, right? Serlzo come to, and I select the type. Okay, the type I want is a lead page type. Like I said, this is the only type we have available right now. As at the time of demoing this is basically for generating your leads. We are going to add different types of DFIs for your webinar for different cases actually. So and then I select the form I want to add to the page, which is the Serlzo com 2 form, and I click on continue. Now there are three types of lead pages, DFI lead page we have available at this time. Now we have the webinar lead page. This is for those who are trying to generate leads for a webinar. I'm trying to generate leads for a webinar. I will use the webinar template. If I'm trying to use a VSL, a video page where I'm going to talk about a particular thing I want them to get after they fill the form, I want to use a video to explain it. I'll use a video lead page. And of course, I have the opt-in page. And I'm going to show you that you can select any of them. But let's look at the preview. The preview will give us context. Let's preview this guy. If I click on preview, it's going to give me a preview of this page. Okay, look at it. Now, how does it work? It means that there is going to be a form here, a headline here. I can put a picture here, put a text here, and then there's a button here in case they scroll down, right? Now, this is it. So I can preview any of the pages I want to select. All right. So ideally, which one should we go for, guys? Let me get to know in the comment section. Which one should we go for? Which of the templates should we go for? Should we go for the webinar lead template, video lead template, opt-in? All of them are amazing. And I think I have to even go through all of them for you guys in this live stream. Let me know in the comment section the one we should go for. Anybody? Okay, let's go for the webinar one first. Now let's do the webinar template, and then okay, this is for community. I'll do another series for webinar. Let's do for the video template, right? I'll come back to that one. And then I click on start building down on the page right here. Start building. And then Viola is going to set up for me. It opens up for me and I click on start building. It's important to read that message that shows up actually. Now, how it works is what it means is that any part of this page I click on, I get to edit. If I click on this guy right here, the editor opens up for me at the right corner of my screen. So here now, I can write the headline I want to write. So for the sake of this, I'm actually just going to swipe some text from an existing page that I have. Let me just use the text on Serlzo main page. Let's swipe this text here. Now I swipe this text, generate nurture close. I can actually change the color of any of these values right here. Let's make this guy red. I don't like that red. It's too ew. Let's make it something lighter, right? Let me look for something a bit longer, something a bit longer, you know, to help. Or maybe let me type it out. Let's type out something. Want people to join the Serlzo community? Yeah, perfect. I know exactly what to use for this page right now. So I'm trying to just imagine I have my copy ready. I don't need to start from scratch again, right? So let's see what we have to do without going through the hurdles of trying to write it live on this call. So join a vibrant community of of digital of let's just cut this thing down. Let's use this of digital marketers, coaches, and entrepreneurs. So I'm going to use underline this guy vibrant, underline, and then I'm going to use the secondary color for this. I mean, you could actually change the color. I forgot to mention. Let's use this guy and that guy. Then we'll click on this video guy, and I get to add either a video or an image. If it's an image, I get to just click on this guy, and then I upload the image I want straight up. Okay. But now I think I'm cool with using a video, so I'll select video. Now basically just go on YouTube or anywhere I hosted my video. Let's use a YouTube video link. Which YouTube video should we use? Let's get one YouTube video. Obviously, guess the video I'm about to use. Let's look for. Let's use a Serlzo video. All right. Or let's use this webinar video. Look for. Let's use this Serlzo video. All right. Or let's use this webinar video. That was crazy, actually. Let's use this webinar video. It's going to be catastrophic. I'm not sure that will work. Hmm. It's a live webinar, so it's working actually. It worked. So we have it right here. So that's it. We've put our video that explains whatever I want to explain. And then there is this our subtitle here. Click on it, and then we get to edit it. And then the CTA here, you can click, change it to click um click to join the community. Let's just imagine that's what I want to put there. And then I can actually change the color of the CTA. But let's imagine that this is what I want to do on this page, right? We're actually done. We'll click on publish. Very quickly, the main thing is we've linked our form. Let's call this URL Serlzo. Let's just call it community. Let's just call it community, right? So amazingly, you have to put in this log for it. You can actually use a random slug. Well, me, I want to use this now. There is this Google Analytical code is optional if you want to add it, and then there is also a Facebook pixel code, which of course is also optional. Okay. Now, but the interesting thing is, maybe sure you guys can even hear me. The thing is that I have to show you guys. Okay, some people said webinar in the comment section. I have to show you guys how to get your Facebook pixel code that you're going to paste here, because I get that question a lot of times. People are always asking, hey, how do I do this? Hey, how do I do that? Hey, how do I do this? Hey, how do I do that? That question is always recurring. And at the end of the day, hold on, please. At the end of the day, people are also going to end up asking me the question of how do I get my Facebook pixel code to add to this page. So I even decided before coming to the live stream, I'm going to treat that. I know I didn't treat it in the previous sessions we've had. So I'm going to walk you guys through on how to achieve that for yourself. So I'm going to share my Facebook tab right now. Okay, so this is a Facebook ad account. I'm sure you guys can see this. Now on this Facebook ad account, I'm going to attempt to copy a pixel code, and I'll show you how to get your pixel code that you're going to add on your landing page. So the goal is so that you can track, if you're running paid ads on Facebook, you can track it. Same applies for Google. If you're running on Google, you can always copy your code and put at the Google section. Okay, so I'll click on event. If I click on all tools, I'll click on event manager, and let's just wait a bit for it to load up. Okay, event manager. Now it loads up. The next thing you want to do is click on this guy here. There is this blood plus button that says connect data source. All right. If you click on it, you're going to select web, right? I'm not sure why this account is not active. Yeah, I think this account has a restriction. So let me switch to an account that doesn't have a restriction. Okay. I think that one has a money issue. Let's pick something different. Let's pick something different. Let's see this. Why that loads up? Let's wait for it. Mm. Okay, now it loads up. Good. Let's click on add source. We are going to pick web, right? We select web and then we click on connect. Now we are going to call this test testing pixel. Okay, permit me to call it testing pixel, and then I click on next. Please follow me carefully, and then I click on connect manually over here. Click on connect manually. Then you're going to see metapixel and conversion API. Conversion API requires a level of technicality, and it has to be a lot of, I mean, it's a lot of process. So you're actually going to go for metapixel only. Then you're going to click on next. Then you're going to click on see instructions, actually. Very important, so that you see the instructions. And then you click on finish. Now, this is the code you need, right? This code inside this place. All you need to do is to click on copy code. And when you click on copy code, just a minute, guys. Let me be sure that I'm in the right place. Look, I think I'm testing for hold on. Okay. Oh, yeah, let's get started. I think I actually just close it back. Let me share this tab now. So follow me, please. Let's go through this process again. I mistakenly just closed that part. Cancelled it. I cancelled it rather. So amazingly, the truth is when you're creating this flow, the the entire process is saved for you and you can't lose it unless you lose your browser. So even if I don't get to save, it's actually saved for you as draft. Okay. So let's go through that again. Let's call this Serlzo com 2. We select our lead page, of course, select the form we wanted, click on continue. Like I said, we'll just use this template to start building. And then, of course, we've gone through this. Let me just click on publish first, paste my Facebook pixel code. So here right here is where I paste my Facebook pixel code. I've pasted it first. Let it just stay and wait for me. I'm coming back. And then let's call our URL. What should we call our URL? Let's call our URL community com. Let's call it com COOM. And then we don't have a pixel code. So here the page description is actually needed because we need it for your SEO, right? For your page SEO. The goal is so that, follow me, so that your landing page will be optimized. Yeah, someone is asking me that is showing men at work. Yeah, it's going to show men at work until I'm done with this live stream. When I'm done with this live stream, I'm going to activate it for all users. But I want you guys to pay close attention first. So I will follow through, okay? We'll follow through and do it together, right? We'll follow through and do it together. Just stay with me. Now, oh, of course, why not? Let's activate for them. Okay, so page description. I'm going to call this Serlzo community access for businesses. Okay, and then that's it. And then I click on publish. Now, if I click on publish, it's going to publish my page for me. Actually, it has. straight up. And that's the page here. You can see Serlzo Com 2, right? Serlzo Community 2. If I click on this option button, I'm going to see view page. I'm going to see copy URL. I'm going to click on view page right now. Let's view the page. Let's view the page together. And this is the page. Why is showing like this? Because I didn't add an image, I didn't add a video, and of course I used the raw text there. So let's go back again and edit the text, right? Let's come back. You can always edit your landing page. So I click on this button that says edit page, brings me back here. Of course, I'm not planning to edit any of these informations again, right? So see what I wanted it to be. Clicks on continue, click on start editing page, brings me back in. And then remember how it works. If you click on any part of the page, it activates for you to edit. That's the instruction there. So let's just copy back text that we need for that page. Okay, let's go. So we copy it out again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now, what text did I even use? I can't remember what I used. Okay, I remember what I copied now. Okay, join a vibrant community. Let's copy that. I've copied it out. Click on this guy here, paste the entire code, right? And then we can bolding it. We can remove any text we want to remove, but it's completely fine even if we don't remove it. I can zoom out my screen so you guys can have a good view. Click on the image, the video section. Let's add the video. I think we added the video the last time and it was the video of this live stream. So let's go copy it back again and come back to it. Copy, copy, copy. Yeah, I've copied that and I'm going to paste it right in here, right here. And then it's going to fetch the preview. And I'm going to copy this subtext on this other page. No, you guys can't see the other page. Click on this guy right here and paste it back. Now I'm going to say CTA should be click to join community. And then that's all. I click on my publish page, everything intact. I click on publish. Now that's basically it. Viola, my page is published. Now, if I come back here and click on view page, let's see the updated preview. Let me share this tab with you guys. Now, this is the page. I have my video. I have my join the vibrant community of super amazing creators, digital marketers. Then I have my text here and I have click to join community. If I click this form, this button, the form comes in for me to fill. So I can fill it and then submit. Now, this is exactly how it works, straight up. If I submit the form, it's going to redirect me to a successful page I added on the form. So that's it, straight up. Now, that's how simple we made creating your lead page on Serlzo to be. Okay. Now, I promised you guys that on this call, for those who will join me on this call and those who have active Serlzo accounts, you guys are going to be the first set of people to gain access to this. And together on this live call, if you're on this live call with me, you are probably seeing DFI page showing coming soon. And right now, together, I'm going to activate that feature for everybody. Now, what this means is that everyone on the call and every active Serlzo user will get to start using the DFY page. Okay. Now, I'm going to take a couple of questions. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section ASAP. And then I'll answer all of the questions you might be having. And then we'll get started with it. So I'm going to refresh this page now. And then Viola, we are going to have that new feature up. It's now live on Serlzo. Now, the DFI page is officially live on Serlzo, and you guys are the first set of people that will get to use it. So if you have your Serlzo account right now, all you need to do is to log in. and get started with it. Very simple, very easy. I mean, the hassle is very the idea was to make it so simplified. There is nothing technical about it. The goal is use the template. Let me show you guys the most amazing template for me is the webinar template. Let me click on create the webinar. I'm going to say webinar page, webinar for Serlzo, right? Let's do that. Click on lead pages. I can use any list actually. I want. Let's click on continue. And I select this webinar page. I'll click on start building. Takes me straight up to the page where I can build it. Very super easy. Start building. Now, this is the title, something finally exposed. I can decide to edit this headline and change the background color. And I can, at the same time, I can decide to change this. At the same time, I can decide to change this, change this, change this. So let's add a video here. Let's say the video I'm going to add is, I think I have a YouTube video here. Let's add this guy. What's the video there? Okay, this guy. Now, what will you learn is already here. I can add the extra text here. This is what you will learn. Now, watch what we did here. There are four containers of what you learn. If I click on learn one, I can edit it. And at the same time, I can remove any of these and I can even add more containers. I can add 5, 6, 10, more of the things you're going to learn in the webinar. And then I can edit each of them. If I click on one, I'm going to edit one here. Let's say, for example, course one, or for example, first thing, topic one. Let's say just say topic one. I want to say Facebook. Hold on. I want to say Facebook and Instagram ads. Of course, I have to add a bit of an explanation to it. It shouldn't just be bare text. That's why I have to give you room for that. Then I can edit two, I can edit three, I can edit four, I can edit all of them. And then when I'm done with this, I click on my publish page, pick my slug, let's call it webinar, and then paste if I have my analytical code. Of course, this guy is required for your SEO. Serlzo webinar page. Let's just call it Serlzo webinar page. And then I publish it. Okay. Now that you've published it, you have it live. Basically, that's it. So it's very simple, straight to the point, no hassle at all, and easy to use. The question is, are you a Serlzo user now? Or are you still contemplating? Because this is one of the most powerful features of all time. And all of the templates we have released now are highly converting templates. Easy for your leads and straight to the point. Easy for your leads and straight to the point. Easy for your leads and straight to the point. It has been tested. We tested this template ourselves. And then before we even like plugged it into the application. So what does it take to get started? All it takes to get started is to have your Serlzo account. If I click on view page, let's view the page together. This is the page. If I click on any of these CTA, it pops out the form for me and I fill it. There's another CTA down here, pops out the form for me and I fill it. Straight to the point. So you have your landing page is fully optimized and it's of course mobile. What is it called again? Optimized for mobile view. I meant to say. So I miss my words. It's optimized for mobile view also. Okay, let me be sure you guys are seeing the mobile view. It's optimized for mobile view. Perfectly optimized for mobile view. Okay. So what more to say than for you to plug in and begin to use this amazing, powerful feature. Okay. So get started with it. I want to take questions. Are there questions in the comment section? Let me know. Across all boards, wherever you're watching the video from. Yeah, somebody said it's super fantastic. Guys, first of all, yeah, I was going to ask, what do you guys have to say about this feature on Serlzo? Yeah, I was good. I was supposed to ask that question, right? What do you guys have to say about this feature on Serlzo? Let me hear from you guys in the comment section. Uh, yeah, people are saying, oh, people are going crazy about it. For those who don't know, we are streaming this across multiple platforms. So I can actually see the charts from different platforms. Yeah, what do you guys have to say about it? So for me, this is one of the most groundbreaking feature. Super easy to deploy. The goal is for you to get the results. That's ultimately the goal without any limitation. Generating it is the core part and core focus for businesses. And we want to help you get started with it without wasting a lot of your time, right? So that's why we have this feature, right? That's why we have this feature. Yeah, so I'm going to take questions now. Any question? If there are no questions, I'm going to allow you to start cooking your landing pages. Of course, like I said, there's always going to be a draft section where the pages you did not complete will be saved. So you don't get to lose any of the things you are doing. I mean, it auto saves straight off for you. Locally, I mean, the drafts are not live, they're not published until you complete them and publish it. So that's entirely how the entire flow works. And I think this is the most simplest thing I've taught in terms of funnels. Yeah, Mr. Worola said, didn't expect anything less from Mr. Joshua King of Source. Yeah, I mean, what we did was, I told you, this is the first time, first of all, this is the first time I'm teaching funnels and I'm teaching how to build up landing page, and it's so easy. I literally, like, I've taught a lot of things in 36 minutes. Like, it's super easy. There is no technical thing in it. We actually intentionally removed everything that has to do with technicality. Okay. Yeah, somebody's asking, hey, Money say he likes this feature. Somebody saying, please, is this lead page pixel ready? Yeah, he's ready. He's ready. This is live. I'm live on. I'm testing this one live on Serlzo, right? So if you have a Serlzo account, just log in and begin to use it. But like I said, it's only for those who have a sales account. You can't use this outside sales, of course. So creating a sales account is simple, easy. There is a link on top of this video in the description of this video. Depending where you are streaming it from, you should be able to see www.selzo.com. Please note selzo.com. And then create your account. Probably I should pin it to the comment section also for those who want to create their accounts and get started. It's a very simple to use process. Signing up your account is almost like in 2 minutes, 1 minute, you're done. Yeah. So yes, you guys love it. I love that you guys love it. Actually, the intention was to be something that will be extremely easy to deploy, extremely easy to deploy, and give you full control. Something I failed to mention, but that would be like a future thing for us to do on Telzo is, if you notice so well, let me click on continue, start editing. If you notice so well on this page, if I was going to edit any of this, I'm going to see generate with AI. So we're going to allow users over time to start generating their headlights with AI. But like you can see here, it's coming soon. So that you won't have any reason not to do it. I have people say, I don't know how to build up my landing pages. I don't have the opportunity to buy um I don't have the opportunity to pay for hosting and domain and all that. I don't have this. I don't have that. You literally don't have any excuse now. I'm not technical. I don't know how to build funnels. Yeah, you're not building anything. Just use the template and generate your leads. Now, when you generate these leads, amazingly, because you're on Salesforce, you can actually do more on the same platform. You can actually now do your WhatsApp marketing. If I go to automation, you can do your email marketing. You can do your WhatsApp marketing. And then there is bulk SMS also, right? So you can actually do these things simultaneously. And I mean, aside that, even there is a store feature here. There, inside the store right now, you can create your link in bio. This is an example of a link in bio. I'm going to show you guys a link in bio. And this feature I'm showing you now, the link in bio feature, is 100% free for all Salesforce users. As far as you have a Salesforce account, you can actually create your link in bio, and it's free, 100% free. Look at it. Let me show you guys. Now look at my link in bio, how it looks like. Very neat and organized. People are using it to drive a lot of sales for their business. You get this as far as you have a sales account. Somebody's asking, if I'm to promote UAMP, what would be my redirect link? Is it the webinar page? Yeah, it should be the webinar page. Exactly. Yes, it should be the webinar page. So the webinar page has, you can add your affiliate link to the webinar page and add it right there, and then it redirects you straight to the webinar page. Straight up. If you're promoting UMP, somebody asked in the comment section. So yeah, this is for affiliate marketers anyway. I meant, can we use it on Facebook and connect Pixel to? Yes, you can use this page on Facebook. The landing page feature we built out. Let me go back to it. I'm showing you guys. Hold on. The landing page feature we built out. Let me share this question because I'm sure some other people might have this question. Yes, it can be used with Facebook. You can create your page, copy the link, add it to Facebook, add your pixel to it, and run your ads. 100%. And I mean, I tested this myself also this afternoon. Okay, so you can do that 100%, 100%, 100%. So look at this awesomeness, right? Look at this awesomeness. Let me show you where is the other page. Look at this page too, right? Look, the awesomeness is crazy. The awesomeness is crazy. Let's look at where is this other tab? I want to show you guys something amazing. Um, yeah, share this tab. I mean, there is several of those instances. Um, I'm getting a lot of amazing feedbacks. Okay, so let's come back here. Now, so it's very easy to do. Like I said, all you just need to do is log into your Serlzo account, go to lead generation, click on DFY pages, and then get started. I've already created like 2 pages live on this call teaching you people. If I was going to do this all by myself, I literally can set up my entire lead page in less than 5 minutes. No hassle. Less than 5 minutes. That's how powerful this feature is. Yeah, somebody says it's insanely cool. Yeah, it's super insanely cool. You mean it? It's really cool. I'm not even going to lie. If I wasn't the one that was leading this product and I saw someone else build it, I'm going to literally shout at the top of my voice and say, wow, this is insanely cool too. Honestly, it's insanely cool. I knew it from onset, and thank you also for letting me know that you so much love it. I love you guys also so much. I really want you guys to succeed, and that's why we are going all the way to build this amazing feature. It's an opportunity to easily get referrals. So so and amazingly on Serlzo, you can actually refer other businesses to Serlzo, right? So imagine running the affiliate program on Serlzo. Serlzo, I mean, this is my account. Watch this. Watch this. My account, I've already made 288,000 naira. Let me change the currency in dollars so that for those who are not Nigerians, see the value in dollars. I've made $288 already on Serlzo in referral commission. 100% referral. So their businesses are using it. I've referred 892 people, and not all of them are actually have an active account. But guess what? Many of them subscribe to a plan, and I have my commissions. You see that? Very beautiful, right? And of course, we have marketing materials for those who want to promote Selzo. Come here, you can click on the download button and it will take you to a Google Drive where you get to see that. If you go to the leaderboard section, of course, you will see top affiliates. And oops, I'm ranking there with 392 people. There's this guy, 42 people. Well, the margin is crazy, right? And you can see the top 11 people on the leaderboard. I mean, there's way down the list 28 people. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah, that's it actually for that. So imagine promoting Serlzo using the Serlzo tools. Imagine creating a lead page, send traffic to your Serlzo affiliate link to a webinar page that explains Serlzo and then making commission. I mean, it could be for your product too. Either way, it's a win-win. Look at what this guy said. Who is this guy? Tina Savia. Amazing. I like this feedback. This guy actually said something very cute, right? See, he loves it with all his heart. Oh my god. He said he loves it with all his heart. Actually, thank you very much for this feedback. I mean, I love you guys so much that we want to help businesses. achieve seamless lead generation process, and then get the best of the result, right? Oh, you're a lady. Sorry, Tina. I didn't know you're a lady. Somebody said it's freaky also. I mean, I mean, it's actually extremely awesome. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so cute. So you guys, I'm expecting you from tonight. You should be preaching this across board. Every business owner needs a sales in their life right now because it's literally everything in one place. There is no third party tool. And we're going to load up more things for you guys because the goal is to make sure that Serlzo is that single software you need for your entire sales and marketing process. Right? We're building world class here. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. And it's super amazing. It's extremely super amazing with what you could do on sales right now. Um, yeah, I'm getting a lot of fire emoji. You guys are awesome. I love you guys already for the energy. And I'm glad you guys love it. It took us a while to cook this out. I'm glad you guys love it. Um, like I said, the three templates we have right now live for the lead pages are highly converting lead pages. Trust me. We focus on optimizing it. We focus on the SEO. Also focus on making it convert for you without hassle. No hassle at all. So your job is to just build it out, set it up, launch it with a click. Just one click, you are done. All you need right now, you need a Serlzo. With Serlzo, with a product and with a Serlzo, you're going to make a lot of money for your business and for the product. Okay? You're going to make yourself a lot of money. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Do you have, I mean, this is the first time I actually thought how to use funnels, and I'm not getting how to build landing pages. I'm not getting any question. To tell you that the Salesforce DFI page is crazily easy to use. I mean it. It's crazily easy to use. And I mean, I'm not sure you can get elsewhere. Yeah, so I want you guys to start cooking. I want to start seeing your landing pages. When you build your landing pages, make a post about it and tag sales on Twitter. In fact, I want to know people who are on this live call. And you guys are actually the first people that have seen this in action for the first time in the history of mankind, seeing sales lead page on in action. Um, I want you to take a screenshot of this moment. It's a very special moment for all of us at Serlzo, the entire dev team, the entire team completely. This is an amazing moment for us. And we're actually very super excited to have this feature live for you guys. We don't take it for granted at all. Trust me, we don't take it for granted. Um, I want you guys to play around with it, create your lead pages, launch it out, scale it to any height you want to scale it, get the results you want to get from it, and then make the money you want to make running your business, right? Make the money you want to make running your business. And that's it. I mean, we are done. Yeah, that's crazy, right? We are done. So I'm super excited, guys. Super excited. You guys love it. I'm looking out for questions, but this is the first time I'm like on the live session. I teach how to build lead pages, and there is zero question. Zero. This is so cute. That's how simple it is. So, guys, without any further ado, I'm happy to announce that this feature is publicly live on the Salesforce dashboard. All you need to do is to have a Salesforce account, activate your plan, and then that's all. You're good to go. So for those who are asking again, just log on to www.selzo.com. Link is in the description of this video, and of course also in the comment section. Yeah, I mean somewhere in the comment section, but actually just go to the description of this video. You see the link. Create yourself a free account, activate it, of course, and join a plan. And then remember that while activating, you can actually choose any currency of your choice. You can always change the currency here. Choose any currency. There is Nigerian, there is Ghana cedis, there is Kenya shillings, there is um Zambia, there is USD, there is Great Britain pound, there's Canadian dollars, there is Australian dollars, there is Dubai currency. I can't remember their currency name. And then there's Cameroon CFAs, which also doubles for Cote Ivory, Senegal, Mali, and other I think what are they called again? Francophone countries, right? I think so. Yeah, Francophone countries. So you can actually always choose the default currency that best fits you and your country and your payment model, and then get started. Yeah. So without any further ado, guys, have a very wonderful night rest. Enjoy using Celso. Make Get the best experience. Knock yourself out. Use it as much as you can. Utilize it. Get your results. We are looking forward to your testimonials, to the results you'll be sharing using Celso. When you create your first page on Celso, make a screenshot of it and share it with us on Twitter, Facebook, and tag Celso. Of course, you can go ahead and tag me at Mbajoshua C, and then we get to see it. Can you pay for Facebook ads? Somebody's asking another question. No, Celso doesn't own Facebook, right? So if you're running ads, it's going to be directly on Facebook, and you pay for your ad directly on Facebook, not on Celso. Celso is not like Facebook ads. So Facebook is owned by Mark Zuckerberg, not Celso. So that's it. But for businesses that are looking for agency to help them run their ads, the sales marketing team, of course, can help them run their ads. Hope the day 1 to 3 are still available. Yes, for those who are watching, looking out for the day 1, day 2, day 3 of this series we just did. This is the last day, the day 3. I've taught Facebook and Instagram ads, and I've also taught how to create a sequence, a lead funnel sequence for any product you have. And the 3 of the videos will be shared again on the Celso community. But if you're already on YouTube, you can go straight to Celso YouTube channel and grab those videos. Is actually there, but we'll compile it together and share on the Telegram Celso community for everybody there. So in case you're not on the Celso Telegram channel community, the link also to join will be on the description of this video. Just follow that link, join, fill in your information, and get access to join the community. It's 100% free of charge, and you guys will really have a great time using it. Without any further ado, I've said this like 4 times now. I think it's time to close the curtain for tonight. If you have a question, join it, the Celso Telegram community and get to ask your question. Have a very wonderful night, or have a very wonderful day. See you guys next time. Bye.
Every business owner needs 3 things to succeed in this world. Number 1 is the constant lead generation system. This is the system that enables them to constantly get in contact with people that would one day buy their product. Number 2 is the qualifying system. The system that will enable them to prepare their prospects who have indicated interest, and preparing them with proper education and nurturing system to get them ready to buy their product. And number 3 is the closing system. This is the system that helps these businesses deliver their product and services to their customers, who in turn pay them for the product and services. So this system guarantees the exchange of products and the exchange of cash. No matter where your business is, no matter the kind of business you run, whether it's a physical business, online business, whether it's a small business, whether it's a mega business, these 3 things are consistent with every business. For the past years of my life, I've spent time selling different kinds of products across the world. This includes selling physical products, digital products, and offering my services across the world. But I've consistently had this single problem that have been eating me up, this problem. The problem I've faced over the years was having a single place where I can generate these leads, nurture them, and close them without having to use multiple tools, do a lot of things, and involve a lot of human resources. And this problem has literally eaten me up so much through the years. I've also launched softwares and digital products across the world, but this problem is consistent. In fact, the last software launch I did currently has over 303,000 users across the world, and it's currently processing 7 figures every week in transaction. That's how powerful my launches has been. Building solutions have always been part of me, and this time I'm taking it to a whole new level. In 2021, I made the first attempt to launch this solution, but I had to stop. But now is the time. I am happy to announce that we have taken on the journey to building and simplifying lead generation, nurturing, and closing for businesses, and that journey has just gotten started. And we are starting this journey by launching Serlzo 1.0. With Serlzo 1.0, which is the first version, you can do the following. You can generate quality leads using our supersonic lead generation infrastructure, which we made it very easy for anybody to create, set up, and deploy almost immediately. And of course, with Serlzo 1.0, you can actually deploy our automation system and infrastructure for your business, where you can connect to your leads from the point of joining your list, the point of getting them ready to buy the product. And there are also a lot of in-betweens that we have added to make this experience whole and complete for you and your business. We've made the plans for this software very easy to access for different kind of businesses and the levels they are currently operating on. So we have the basic, we have the pro, and of course the ultimate plan for now, which is called the Serlzona plan. So for every business, for any level and for any revenue level you are on, there is a plan available and affordable and easy to use for your business. For us, building Serlzo is a journey. So while we continue building Serlzo, we will continuously provide updates, upgrades, and of course, improvements to the software as the day goes on. And in the coming months, we will be releasing, of course, Serlzo 1.5 and Serlzo 2.0, which is the mega launch. However, for now, I'm super excited for this, our progress thus far, and I'm super excited to welcome you to join us in this journey. But of course, without any further ado, welcome to Serlzo, where you can generate, nurture, and close leads with just a click. Welcome.